everyone, welcome to my daily vlog. This is another episode of my life lately. So actually this one is a trip to Bataan which happened a few months back. So this one happened in March and pinag-isipan ko talaga if I was gonna edit and upload this episode. You see, the story kasi is this is from an ex-boyfriend's place. So this is his province, alright? Pero ang ipinunta ko dito is a property which I bought way back. So I believe it was around 2018 pa when I bought a very small piece of land. And actually, tinanggal ko na siya sa isip ko 5 years ago. Ipinaubaya ko na. But really, when it's meant for you, God will make a way to bring it back to you. Not the ex, just the land. Alright? So, ayan. We drove there. And I just wanna give shout out to Kuya here. So, I forgot his name na. Ganon ako ka short-term memory. Pero he's a well-known guy. He's a good guy. And he really helped us settle amicably the issues of this property. So, welcome to San Rafael, Balanga, Bataan. So, andyan yung office ng Tagnay Homes Association where I would meet with the representatives. Ayun. So, ayan yung cute na office nila. And ayan, o diba, ako ang dumayo pero ako ang nag-iuwi. Kuya, kita ka sa video. Hi! Ayan, tingnan ko yung lupa ko. Lupa sa paso. So, that is Kuya Diego, Kuya Enteng, and Ate Nora. So, mag-asawa po si Kuya Enteng at si Ate Nors. And Kuya Enteng is the older brother of the said ex. Okay. So, napakabuti po nilang mag-asawa sa akin, even from before. So, palagi po akong welcome sa bahay nila. They are very accommodating and very kind po sa akin. And there are really very good memories with this couple. So, there was a time pumunta kami sa Hulo. So, it's a part of the mountain and nag-overnight and parang ganyan. And wala, ang saya lang talaga. So, sweet memories with this family and thankful lang talaga ako na nakilala ko sila. And even after 5 years na wala na kaming contact and everything. So, actually, everybody moved on from that. Pero still, even after 5 years, napakabuti pa rin nilang dalawa sa akin. So, thank you always, Kuya Enteng and Ate Nora. So, this part, tapos na yung meeting. Eventually, I was able to settle everything. So, I don't need to upload all the meeting na nangyari. It was just a backup video and I think I've deleted it na. So, basta ang mahalaga, okay na. And, ayan, tinan nyo, kahit sakay lang sa kulong-kulong, we were happy, even with the simple life, nagbibiruan, nagtatawanan. It's like as if, walang nabago. So, na-miss ko rin naman dito yung mga kakanin dito, yung views dito. I love Bataan. But, you know, it's not meant to be my home. So, in this part, ihatid na nila ako sa terminal. So, coming from San Rafael, ayan, hatid na nila ako sa terminal going back to Manila. Actually, I went back here after a week kasi doon na nangyari yung pinaka settlement, pero hindi na ako nag-video. Did I? I don't think so. So, it was just a very fast trip. Balikan lang. Kasi you know, ang inyong lingkod ay 1 day off lang. So, ayan, enjoy lang natin. Okay, the view. So, ito yung 4 lanes. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda po talaga sa Balanga, Bataan. So, ayan. Doon pa lang pala yung 4 lanes. Doon sa intersection. Pero yung view, I always love this view of Balanga. O diba ang ingay namin? Kahit na ang init-init, katirika ng hapon at bumabiyahe kami sa kulong-kulong. Ayan, 4 lanes. O diba? Ang sarap sa probinsya. So, ayun, going back to Manila, I decided na kulitin naman si JM because I just wanna have a nice dinner after a long day. So, ang aga-aga ko bumiyahe and then balikan lang din. Ang hindi ko sa mga balikan na biyahe, no? Just a few weeks ago, nagbalikan din ako Quezon. Ito, Balanga. Dami kong energy, ha? So, ayan na nga. This is my friend, JM.
Magpakilala ka naman. Future compute.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel.
Channel mo?
Sorry. Ano lang pala akong featuring lang pala. So, I am JM. So, one of the closest friend ni Jenny Love.
Why don't you share your iPad 800?
Well, ito nga guys, I'm having trouble with this one. Kasi, you know, impulsive buyer. Kasi, the trick behind this one, kaya binili ko to. Kasi gusto ko lang yung malaking screen for Netflix, for YouTube. Of course, parang music na rin naman. Pero, hindi ko na naisip na yung iOS version pala nun, magiging problema ko ngayon. Ito pa, hindi ako makakreate ng Apple ID. Hinanam naman, no?
That is my good friend JM, partner with good food. So, ayun na, after a very long day, I just need a friend and food and lots of chika-chika. You know, you share everything, you let everything out, whatever it is, goals, dreams, frustrations, and everything. And that's it. Have a good day. Thank you!